Hi, today we're going to read Why is Blue Dog Blue by George Rodrigue. Hello, my name is George, and I'm an artist. There's a little dab of blue. I've been painting since I was 5. I paint pictures of things I like. One of my favorite things to paint is Blue Dog. Why is Blue Dog blue? Artists don't have to paint things the way they really are. I use my imagination to paint my own world. I can paint a dog any color I can imagine. So why is Blue Dog blue? Well, the truth is that Blue Dog isn't always blue. Sometimes I paint Blue Dog red. Other times, I paint Blue Dog yellow. Occasionally, I paint Blue Dog green. Once in a while, I paint Blue Dog orange. I never paint Blue Dog purple, except when I do. I can paint a Blue Dog rainbow. But most of the time, I paint Blue Dog blue, which brings us back to the same question. Why is Blue Dog blue? Maybe it has to do with what I think about when I paint. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I go fishing? Salmon. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I want a hot dog? Mustard. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I bake a pie? Cherry. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I go to the beach? Tan. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I fall in the swamp? Moss green. What other colors can I paint Blue Dog? A bunch of different colors on here. We've got magenta, lavender, ebony, chartreuse, auburn, khaki, emerald, turquoise, mauve, chocolate, avocado, violet, Cajun, apricot, burgundy, periwinkle, alabaster, aqua, gray. Very pretty, but still not blue. Blue Dog is blue. Why? Look in the sky. Blue Dog is everywhere, like the sky. That's why. And that is why is Blue Dog blue.